Hi, this is Steve with African Energy. Welcome back to another Tech Tip Tuesday. The goal of these videos is to keep them short and intuitive and share gathered experiences from the field. If there is a need to go into depth on a particular subject, let us know and we'll call in the big guns or the manufacturers. The photo of this power strip is similar to what happened in our office just a couple weeks ago. This is a typical monsoon season for us here in southeast Arizona, similar to what I've encountered in West Africa. We had a nice storm, typical thunder, lightning, wind, flash flooding. We measured at the office an unstable output voltage, heard an unusual noise from the off-grid inverter and thought our system was damaged by lightning. So we bypassed the off-grid inverter, and every time the AC of the refrigerator tried to start, the voltage would drop and reset the grid tie inverter. The voltage drop continued even after we bypassed the whole solar system. The local electrician who installed our solar system came out and was just as baffled as we were. And when he returned the next morning, he said he had nightmares of neutral wires chasing him around. I guess that was a good thing because he decided to check outside. He asked the electrical op to come out and they found the neutral wire broken at the top of the electric pole. Not by lightning, but by excessive winds, which eventually snapped the wire. So the neutral wire was repaired and the system is back to normal, minus the power strip. So what did we learn from this incident? Besides being very lucky that the only thing was damaged was a cheap power strip. The neutral wire, which carries the circuit back to the original power source, was disrupted when the wire was broke. This means that there was an increase in voltage on the wires inside the building, which could lead to serious problems. What are the symptoms of a bad neutral? You might hear popping, buzzing, hissing from the electrical connections or appliances, or even see smoke. Lights flickering or dimming, outlets hot to the touch, the smell of burnt rubber, scorched plugs or outlets. What are the hazards of a broken neutral wire? Electric shock, which could lead to serious injury or even death, damaged appliances, electrical fire, and expensive repairs. Some of the most frequent and common causes of damage due to inclement weather are lightning strikes the neutral line. It could damage the wires due to excessive voltage. Accidents, trees falling or high winds can cause the wires to snap. As an example, just 45 miles from here, there were 4 electric poles that snapped like toothpicks from a microburst. Age, old wires or wires made with less durable materials such as aluminum wires. A quick and simple way to test for neutral conductivity is using an expensive tool such as a receptacle tester. Had we thought about it, the simple tester probably could have saved us a lot of time in narrowing down the fault. So what's the old saying? You can always tell a golfer by his shoes. Here's some example of receptacle testers. AC outlet receptacles are different from country to country and may require an AC outlet adapter. Thanks for watching this video, and until the next time, why are solar panels in Africa always so optimistic? They keep their sunny side up.